No, 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 no. No time to hesitate. Just grab the slippers and get away from him. Finally, I'm on a getaway to relax myself.
Hi, welcome back to My English YouTube channel. And today I'm very excited to have you in front of this video because by following all my videos, you can learn a lot of unusual phrases for daily conversation. If you want to learn more from me, just click on these two buttons.
I need to go outside to let off steam.
If you remember, in the last episode, we weren't happy with our teacher and then we went out to let off steam. And what happened was, I drove around to find some food. Finally, I came to this restaurant. Okay, let me see. Wow, so many things to choose from. So, I think, yeah, this is nice. Maybe just this one? Okay, I will just go with this.
And I waited like 5 minutes, then the food was served.
Oh, this is the one. Oh, pardon my French. I think this is hell and... Oh, fuck you, man. What is this? And what did he say? The F word. Of course, this is not wrong, or it is never an issue for you to swear or to say something unpleasant. But before or after you say this, you can use this phrase. Pardon my French. Pardon my French.
So today's phrase is, pardon my French. Pardon my French. The word pardon is derived from the French word called pardon. If you beg someone to pardon you, it means you beg them to forgive you, or you say sorry to them. As for the word French, why French? Okay, the Old English community used to use a lot of French words in the normal conversation, so people were not able to understand what they said. In this case, my French means my unfamiliar words. Nowadays, when we say something very offensive or unpleasant, such as a rude word, swear word, or cuss word, they are also the unfamiliar words in the normal conversation. So if you swear, you should say, pardon my French. A very simple example is, pardon my French, this is all bullshit. Over here, bullshit is the offensive word nobody likes to hear. So you must say sorry before you use this cuss word.
And in the next minute, we'll see how this phrase can be employed in a practical context. And this context was extracted and modified from a Chinese period drama, which was famous in 2018.
3, 2, 1.
So after long, you should admit that I'm the prettiest woman. I know I'm not pretty. And I don't have a good background. But I have never given up. Just because you came in early. I hate you. I hate everybody over here. Life over here sucks. And now you are number one in this place. So, you have become the queen, and what else do you want? Hey, Lisa. Pardon my French.
Oh, she said that. You. But I think it is a very civilized way for her to cover her ass. Pardon my French. Yeah, I agree. It is so smart of her to use this phrase, pardon my French, after saying the swear words. So next time, before or after you want to say something unpleasant, you can just use pardon my French instead of oops, I'm so sorry. Now this is the end for today's lesson and I hope you enjoy my video. Before you leave, I wish you a day as beautiful as you are. Bye guys.
不就是送我上路的吗？明白就好。动手吧。